We are from Information System in Sriwijaya University. We will present a video programming algorithm about repetition. Repetition is a statement that contains one or more actions that are performed repeatedly. There are three types of notation structure in repetition, namely for, while, and repeat. Now we will discuss about for. For is used to repeat the statement repeated the present number. Repetition is used if it's known routinely to be repeated many times a statement. There are two structures of for. It's ascending and descending. Now we will explain a program that uses for nested which is part of the for. For nesting is a repetition of the other. Each repetition will first finish the second repetition. Now we will create a program of diamond using for nesting. First step is to make pseudocode. The following is a pseudocode of a program of diamond. The next step is to translate the pseudocode into C language. First, we declare A, B, C, and with type of integer. After that, we give the title of this program by the name of diamond program. Input n then used to how many repetitions to do. After that, we made for the first nested. Decision is used to create a diamond-shaped top. For is possessed for therein. There are three for in for nesting. Then we made for the second nested. Decision is used to create a diamond-shaped bottom. Similarly for the first nesting, for it also has for more therein. And there are three for in for nesting. Well, now we will explain how the program works. For example, the value of n is 3. There will be output as follows. On for the first, the value a is 1. Then it will generate the answer because there are /n. Because in the beginning was the value of a is 3, then the value of b is result of 3 reduce 1, so the result is 2. Then you will produce 2 times as much space. The value c is 1, and the value of c is less than or equal to a. We will generate a value of 1. C value is the result of a reduce 1, and the greater the value of c is equal to 1. Because the value of c does not meet the condition, the repetition and write off and return to the repetition of the first. Because the value of a constantly rising, then the value of a is 2. Then you will generate the answer because there's less n. Because in the beginning was the value of n is 3, then the value of b is result of 3 reduce 1, so result is 1. Then it will produce space 1 times. Value c is 1, and the value c is less than or equal to a. It will generate a value of 1 and 2. C value is the result of a reduce 1, and the greater the value of c is equal to 1, so the value of c is 1. Because the value of a constantly rising, then the value of a is 3, then you will score enter because there's less n. Because in the beginning was the value of n is 3, then the value of b is the result of 3 reduce 3, so the result is 0. Then it doesn't produce a space. Value c is 1, and the value of c is less than or equal to a. we will generate A value of 1, 2, and 3. C value is the result of A reduced 1, and C greater value equals 1, so you will generate value 2 and 1. Program of the bottom of the same as for the top. Okay, so the explanation of our diamond program. Hopefully useful, and goodbye.